Hello, everyone. My name is William Helm, and I'm a department manager for Matrix Technologies. If you've ever visited our website or our YouTube channel, you may already know that we're a leading full-service engineering design and system integration company, providing you with a better process for success. What does that really mean? Well, it means we hire the best in the industry, follow documented, tried and true processes, and consistently deliver the highest in quality and innovation for our customers. Or more simply put, our advantages are people, process, and performance. In this video, I'd like to focus on the people portion and take you behind the scenes a bit on how we continually hire and retain the best in the industry. At Matrix, we abide by 31 fundamentals. For purposes of this discussion, we'll be focusing specifically on fundamental number 6, investing in relationships. These fundamentals, also known as the Matrix Way, is the standard for what we expect from each person in the organization, and also what we use for hiring folks to join the Matrix team. Sure, they have to have the technical aptitude, no question. But in addition, they have to be a cultural fit. And to be a cultural fit, it's paramount that they embrace the Matrix Way. So my background is in manufacturing for the US government. And one of the things I heard time and again from our government customers was the phrase, mission first, people always. Now, at first glance, this phrase sounds noble and even patriotic. And in certain circumstances, this may actually be applicable. However, what I found was that it gives the impression that the work is paramount and the people will always be available to do it. Now, certainly we place a high priority on the work we do and its value for our customers. But the only way that really happens is if we place the highest priority on our people. So I have inverted this phrase as a cornerstone of my philosophy as a leader, which is people first, mission always. In other words, you don't have a mission if you don't have the people. It's a more accurate depiction of how we look at our staff and how we hire those for the work that we do. My experience with Matrix, we are a people first, mission always company. It's why we have 31 fundamentals we abide by. It's why we invest in relationships and spend a great deal of time into ensuring our staff understands that they're important to our organization, and also our expectations of them each and every day. When we've asked our top customers why you prefer working with us, they have stated that we are committed, consistent, and collaborative. This feedback is my charter when it comes to my staff as well. The only way I can expect that my staff is fully engaged and empowered to give their best every time to our customers is if I am committed, consistent, and collaborative with them. So let's peel the onion back a layer on these 3 values. Commitment to our customers means that we are committed to the success of our customers' investments and to the success of our partnership with them. Commitment to my staff means that I'm committed to their personal and professional success, and that they not only hear that from me, but they see it from my interactions with them as well. If I'm doing my job right, they know I've got their back. Consistency is also important. Delivering single-source professional results and following best practices with a proven record of success is paramount to our relationship with our customers. Being consistent as a department manager means that my staff knows they get the same level of support and direction from me every time we talk. It also means when they call or send a message to me, I respond as soon as possible. It means that I can be reached on the weekends or at nights or whenever they need me. It means whenever I say I'll do something, I actually do it. Finally, collaborating with our customers is huge. It ensures efficient execution of projects and to also be seen by them as an extension of their team. Likewise, collaboration between engineers and our various engineering disciplines, as well as between myself and my staff, is so vitally important to ensure we are a cohesive unit and providing the best version of ourselves with each and every project. So investing in relationships, fundamental number 6. It's what we do, it's who we are, and we always look forward to the opportunity to do this with you as well. I hope you found this little journey behind the scenes enlightening and helpful. I'm very passionate about people first, mission always, and I welcome discussion and a dialogue from anyone who wants to reach out to me. Also, if you haven't visited our YouTube channel or seen our videos or visited our website at matrixti.com, please do so to get more information on our capabilities and our services that we can provide to you. So until we have a chance to meet, thank you very much for your time today.